Question number 1. Ecology take into account option 1 environmental factors only, plant adaptation only, effects of plant on environment, relationship between organisms and their environment. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 4. इकोलॉजी के अंदर हम रिलेशनशिप को स्टडी करते हैं बिटवीन ऑर्गेनिजम्स एंड देयर इन्वायरमेंट. Question number 2. The term ecology was proposed by option 1 Haeckel, Odum, Dobbenmeyer, Rater. Question number 3. Who defined the ecology as a study of structure and function of nature? Option 1 Haeckel, E.P. Odum, R. Misra, Taylor. Correct answer is option 2. E.P. Odum defined ecology as a study of structure as well as function of nature. तो correct answer बनेगा option 2. Question number 4. Who defined ecology as a reciprocal relationship of organisms and their environment? Option 1 Misra, Haeckel, Odum, Lamarck. Correct answer is option B Haeckel. Question number 5. Articology means the study of effect of temperature on vegetation, effect of soil on vegetation, ecology of individual organisms, effect of precipitation on vegetation. Correct answer is option 3. Articology means the study of ecology of individual organisms. Question number 6. Synecology is the study of environment, plant community, individual, none of these. Correct answer is option 2. The study of plant community is known as synecology. Question number 7. The transitional zone where two different communities meet is called niche, ecotone, ecade, ecotype. Correct answer is option 2. It is known as ecotone zone. Question number 8. The science which deals with the management of plants, animals, soil, water, and minerals is known as articology, synecology, phytosociology, or resource ecology. Correct answer is option 4. It is known as a resource ecology. Question number 9. What ecological factors are the most strong determinants of various biomes? Soil and wind, light and wind, temperature and precipitation, pH and humidity. Correct answer is option 3. Temperature as well as precipitation are the main strong determinant of various biomes. Question number 10. Plants are killed in winter by frost. Why? Option 1. Because respiration ceases at such a low temperature. Option 2. Because there is no transpiration. Option 3. Because no photosynthesis takes place at such a low temperature. Option 4. Because of desiccation and mechanical damage to the tissues. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन 4. विंटर के अंदर प्लांट्स किलिंग जो है वो फ्रोस्ट की वजह से इसलिए होती है क्योंकि डेजिकेशन और मैकेनिकल डैमेज हो जाता है टिश्यूज़ को ड्यू टू फ्रोस्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. Which of the following is direct dominant ecological factor which affects the vegetation of a place? Option 1 temperature, altitude, soil, wind. Correct answer is option 1. Temperature is the main ecological factor that affects the vegetation of a place directly. Question number 12. Major characteristic of the vegetation of a locality are controlled by mainly by climate, by animals only, by altitude of a place only, by man only. Correct answer is option 1. Major characteristics of vegetation of a locality are controlled by climate. Question number 13. Ecological factors work together, work in complex combination, work only indirectly, work singly. Correct answer is option 2. Ecological factors always work in complex combinations. Question number 14. The hydrologic factor refers to gravitational water, snow, water, atmosphere. Correct answer is option 3. Hydrologic factors means factors that are related to water. Question number 15. Most dense layer of atmosphere vulnerable to pollution or life supporting zone of atmosphere is ionosphere, mesosphere, troposphere, stratosphere. Correct answer is option 3. The most dense layer of atmosphere that is vulnerable to pollution is troposphere, and troposphere is also life supporting zone. Question number 16. Plant groups growing in zones where high temperature alternates with low temperature are called as mesotherms, megatherms, hekistotherms, microtherms. Correct answer is option 1. Mesotherms are the plants that are growing in such zones where the high temperature alternates with low temperature. Question number 17. At what height in atmosphere concentration of ozone is maximum? At 25 kilometer, at 50 kilometer, at 100 kilometer, at 10 kilometer. Correct answer is option 1. At 25 kilometer, the concentration of ozone layer is maximum. Question number 18. The alpine forests are classified under the plant group called hekistotherms, megatherms, mesotherms, microtherms. Correct answer is option 1. Alpine forests are actually hekistothermic plants. Question number 19. Biological rhythms of majority of organisms are modulated by soil factors, light, temperature, wind. Correct answer is option 2. Light is the main stimulator behind different biological rhythms of organisms are modulated. Question number 20. When a plant of hot climate is transferred to colder region, it gets an injury called thermal death, chilling, freezing, desiccation. Correct answer is option 2. When a plant from hot climate is transferred to cold climate, it gets an injury that is known as chilling. Question number 21. Flag trees are formed due to erosion and depression, slate spray, lodging, unidirectional winds. Correct answer is option 4. Flag trees are formed due to unidirectional winds. Question number 22. Which is the least porous soil? Clay, loam, sand, peat, or silt soil? Correct answer is option 1. Clay soil is the least porous soil. Question number 23. In coarse textured soil, pore frequency is low, pore space is narrow, there is no soil air, water retaining capacity is high. Correct answer is option 1. In coarse textured soil, pore frequency is always low. Question number 24. Which of the following does not occur in loam soil? Option 1, sand, silt, chalk, sand. Correct answer is option 3. Chalk does not present in loam soil. Question number 25. Soils that is transported by air are called as residual soil, colluvial soil, aeolian soil, aerial soil. Correct answer is option 3. Aeolian soil is the soil that is transported by means of air. Question number 26. Edaphic factors are concerned with soil and their characteristics, rainfall, grazing by animals, competition among different species of plants. Correct answer is option 1. Edaphic factors are the factors that are related to the soil and their characteristics. Question number 27. Soil formation is initiated by the phenomenon of option 1 pedogenesis, lateralization, withering, glaciation. Correct answer is option 3. Withering is responsible for soil formation. Question number 28. Which soil is best for plant growth? Clay soil, loamy soil, sandy soil, gravel soil. Correct answer is option 2. Loamy soil is the best soil for plant growth. Question number 29. The term subsoil generally refers to horizon R, horizon B, horizon A, horizon C. Correct answer is option 2. Horizon B is generally considered as subsoil. Question number 30. Pedology is the study of locomotion of animals, soil erosion, soil formation, rock formation. Correct answer is option 3. The study of soil formation is known as pedology. Question number 31. The biological withering occurs due to action of carbon dioxide, oxygen, alkalis, acids. Correct answer is option 4. Due to attack of acids, biological withering of rocks takes place. Question number 32. Waterlogging occurs in clay soil, gravel soil, sandy soil, loam soil. Correct answer is option 1. Waterlogging mostly occurs in clay soil that has least water holding capacity. Question number 33. Plant absorb from the soil capillary water, gravitational water, both capillary water and gravitational water, hygroscopic water. Correct answer is option 1. Plant absorb capillary water from the soil. Question number 34. Water that is held tightly in the form of a thin film on the surface of soil particle is known as hygroscopic water, gravitational water, capillary water, runaway water. Correct answer is option 1. Hygroscopic water is the water that is held tightly in the form of a thin film on the surface of soil particle. Question number 35. The term Chasard refers to gravitational water, capillary water, water vapor, run-off water. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 2. कैपिलरी वाटर के लिए एक स्पेशल टर्म यूज़ की जाती है जो कि चेसॉर्ड कहलाती है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 36. ह्यूमस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर प्लांट ग्रोथ बिकॉज it is partially decomposed, it is derived from the leaves, it is made up of dead organic matter. Option 4. It is rich in nutrients and increases the water holding capacity of the soil. Correct answer is option 4. Humus is important for plant growth because it increases the water holding capacity as well as it is rich in nutrients. Question number 37. Plant growing on rocks are called as zeophytes, halophytes, lithophytes, psychrophytes. Correct answer is option 3. Lithophytes are the plants that are growing on rocks. Question number 38. Storage capacity of the soil is the extent to which it can hold hygroscopic plus bound water, capillary plus hygroscopic water, capillary water, gravitational water. Correct answer is option 3. Storage capacity of the soil is the extent to which it can hold capillary water. तो जितना ज़्यादा soil capillary water को hold करेगी उतनी ही ज़्यादा उसकी storage capacity होगी.